it's me again. Make sure you enjoy the video and have fun. So basically, we are just getting to the company, the oil servicing company, where we're going to be selling our oil product to, and actually a great day. We just hope that everything goes well, and let's see. Welcome to Port Harcourt. So finally, it's time for negotiation to meet the company and know if it's gonna work. So you all wish us good luck. So finally we are done with the office, so we went to check by a nearby filling station to also talk business. This is like the area is basically one of the very very good oil sectors in Port Harcourt, and as a petroleum product marketing enterprise, what else are you going to do apart from trying to reach out and look for people that are interested in buying this product? So that's where we at, and and it all went well. So guys, we are officially done for the day. It was a wrap. It was a wrap, guys. So we are all excited and we're going to be heading back to the office. It's really really cool to get into this business. And I'm not only into products and petroleum product servicing. I'm also into real estate. We sell houses and all. And it's pretty cool that we spoke with this company. So we are just going to wait for the feedback to hear what they say and what they feel like, if we can work together. And thank you guys for staying this much. Sorry for my shaky cam. I'm going to work on it. This is my first time vlogging. Thank you guys for staying tuned again and enjoy. So, guys, we are actually at Transamadi Port Harcourt, literally the most luxurious place to live in Port Harcourt. Houses in this kind of place list from 20 million and above to get a house, but depending on the actual area and the reason why they are selling, in this place rent for a year lease from around 1.5 million and above. So we just came around here and we just wanted to take a tour to show you guys what the houses could look like. I couldn't capture a lot, but I could capture as much as I could and enjoy it till the end. A big thank you to you if you have actually come this far. I know I couldn't show a lot of houses, but I'll be doing more tours where I'll actually get into the houses and really show you guys what real estate looks like in Port Harcourt. And I pray that you guys should show some love, or let me just say, you guys should show some love, like the video, subscribe, share this video, and thank you. No, actually, no.